अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
Mustafa, can you hear me?
Yes miss, now I can. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, how was your day?
It's going good. I
Okay,
slept all day. I just woke up at 10:30 or something.
okay. Uh, Over here, there is same issue of the WAPDA. Like they like, what can I say about that?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, we were discussing about the proteins, right? What are the building blocks of proteins?
Oh, sorry, miss. Oh, 1 minute.
Mhm.
I have to set up. The building block of proteins,
Yes,
they are made up of amino acids.
yes, amino acids. And we have discussed that which thing in the in amino acid, there are four major things, right? Those four things are connected with one LEGO block, with one carbon atom. Can you name them? Those four things
The four things, can you repeat it again?
in the amino acid. Like this is a carbon, the main carbon. With this carbon, four things are attached. There is carboxylic group, there is amino group, there is
Yes.
hydrogen, as well as there is
Hydrogen
R
and
group.
hydroxide
And this R group,
is R, like
yeah, what do you know about this group?
the R side.
Yeah, yeah, the side chain. What do you know about this R group?
R group.
Hmm.
What can I say? Like it's a side chain, nah.
Yeah, this is side chain. So, all other groups will be same
Like
in
it,
in
it's a
every.
unique chemical and
Yes, yes.
chemical
It
and
will
like biological like properties.
it will give the unique property to the amino acid. In every
Yes,
amino acid, this will be changed. Okay, all other things will be same.
yes,
Carboxylic group will be there, amino group will be there, hydrogen will be there. But this group will be changed in all the amino acids. Okay, so that's why we say this is the group which identifies the amino acid. Okay, you remember there was a question in the test about this, that which is the thing which make amino acid different from the other amino acid. So that is R
the
group.
R group.
Yeah, it differentiate the amino acids, right? Yeah, this is, they have mentioned that there are three parts are identical in all of the 20 amino acids. What are these three parts? The carboxylic group, the amino group, and the hydrogen.
Yes,
In all the 20 amino acids, they will be same, but one thing will be different. That will, you can say, this will give them a unique personality, and that is R group. Okay, this can be any
okay,
group. Okay, R group can be any group. So, for example, the simplest one is this, like COOH will be there, carboxylic group,
yes,
NH2 and H, right? These three are common. And this one,
sounds
hydrogen is there. This is known as glycine. This is the
glycine.
simplest amino acid. Okay. Yes. Okay. And one more thing, that R group, they're saying that R group is the personality. It is giving the personality to the amino acid. So what personality it is giving? Maybe it will give a different shape to the amino acid, right? The amino acids all are different from each other in their shape, in the charge, in their behavior, how they will behave in front of the other amino acids. So this R group decides what will be the size, what will be the charge, and what will be the behavior of the amino acid in the body. Are you getting this?
Yes,
Like if we talk about the glycine, there is hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen is very small, so it means this amino acid is the smallest amino acid among all other. Okay,
yes,
and this is positive charge overall. What will be the charge overall? What will be the behavior? This is dependent on the amino acid, right? Okay. Now they have mentioned, yes, how amino acids will bridge together. Just like you remember, we have discussed about the lipids, that there are two things in the lipid.
Yes.
There is a glycerol backbone.
वो मैं ही
What are the other things with the glycerol
Just can
in the
you repeat
lipid?
it again?
I'm saying, what are the two parts which make a lipid, from which the lipid is formed?
My the two parts which a lipid is formed,
Hmm.
carbon and hydrogen.
No, no, no. There is
Sulfur,
one backbone, a long backbone, if you remember. That is a type of alcohol.
because it was like glycerine,
Yeah, glycerol.
glycerol,
Yeah,
glycerol.
glycerol. And with this glycerol, what we attach? What is attached with it to make the lipid? The fatty acid chains, right?
Yes.
Three fatty acid chains are attached. So, how can we differentiate a fat from an oil?
By seeing if by non-polar, polar, and if they are saturated or non-saturated.
Yes, yes. Like if the fatty acid chains are saturated, then we will say that if all the chains, if all of the three chains are saturated and they are attached to the glycerol molecule, then what will we say? Is this an oil or is this uh, fat? Glycerol and three fatty acid chains are saturated chain. All of these are saturated. So what is this? Is this fat or is this oil?
A fat?
Why?
No, like 1 minute. If it's
Glycerol. I'm writing here. I'm writing here. We have glycerol, right? With this glycerol, three chains are attached, okay, and all of these are saturated chains. In the last, there will be OH, right? All of the three chains are saturated chains. What is this? Is this a fat or is this an oil?
it will be a fat, like if it's
Hmm. All the chains
it will
are.
be a oil because oil has single bonds, right?
Oh, you have done test
No, no,
just like
no, no. Give me only 1 minute. I'm
think about
getting.
think about it. All the chains are having single bond. You see, carbon
These are
carbon
single
bond is
bonds, so
single bond.
it's fat. It's fat
Yes, single bond
because
means
it's fat.
it is
It's fat.
solid, right? Single bond means it is
Yes,
solid, and
solid.
fat is solid,
Yes.
right? And if we have any, if there is any double bond, like here, so what will it be?
So what it be? What will it be?
Hmm. Is it now fat or is it oil? What is this? Look at these bonds. These are double bonds, okay? These are double
Now
bonds.
it's oil.
Yeah, it's oil. So it means the double bond gives it such a state in which it is oil, right? It is oil like when you have double bond, okay? And that is why we say that it has less temperature. The boiling point and melting point is less
That's the
in the
picture.
oils because of the double bond, right? Now this was about the lipid. So you see what we have done, we have connected the fatty acid chain with the glycerol, right? There is a connection. Similar is the case with the amino to make a protein. To make a protein, what we will do, we will combine two amino acids. Okay, this is one amino acid. Okay, there is this center carbon. They have written carbon alpha. Basically,
Okay.
why they have written carbon C alpha? Because there is another carbon as well. That's why they have written this one, this LIGO, the main carbon with which all other things are attached. This they have mentioned with carbon alpha. Okay, just for the sign convention, so that it is easy for you to understand. So we
Okay.
have one carbon alpha. With this, what we will attach? Carboxylic acid group, right? There will be
Yes.
NH2 group, hydrogen, and R group, right?
Ah, yes.
R group, okay. So if we want to make protein, we are saying that the building blocks of proteins are amino acids, right?
Yes.
So it means we will connect the amino acids to make protein. Am I right?
Yes. Uh,
We want to make protein. How can we make protein from the amino acids? Hmm?
Still repeat it again. Your voice was breaking.
I'm saying, how can we make proteins by combining amino acids? Hmm?
We could make protein by
Hmm.
building blocks of proteins, like
The
by
amino acids.
combining them.
Yeah, by combining amino acids, by making their bonds, right? By making their bonds.
Yes.
What type of
Yes.
bond they can form? Okay. So basically, if you see this part, there is a reaction. Okay. Look at this. What is happening? Plus, in front of this, we can do this over here. We can replace this. There is NH2 and hydrogen over here. Okay.
Yes.
The second NH2 is here. I'm writing like this NH2. Okay. This one NH2, carbon alpha, hydrogen, same. Over here, there is COOH, and this is R group. Okay. All other things are
Yes.
same. You see, all things are same. So basically, if you are combining two amino acids, you will need to remove the water. You remember we have done this that when we add things, when we combine things, there is dehydration reaction. You remember? And when we want to break something, we do hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. Hydro means water, lysis means to break. If you want to break a big molecule, what will
Yes.
you do? You will add water, like hydrolysis.
Yes. Yes. Hydrolytes. I remember
Yeah,
you said.
hydrolysis. But if you want to build things, okay, if you want to build things, what will you do? You will do the reverse. You will remove the water, right? So
Yes.
we are joining these two. So we will remove water from these two. How we will remove water? OH will be removed from this molecule, okay, from this side,
Yes.
and hydrogen from here, okay. So these
Yes.
will combine and it will be removed. H in the form of
Okay.
H2O. You see H2O. There are two hydrogen and one oxygen. So this
Yes.
will be removed. Now what will be the new combination? The new combination will be like this. The carbon alpha, this one. Okay. Then there is carbon oxygen, this one. Then there is direct bonding with this nitrogen, NH, this one, NH. Then over here there is carbon alpha, right? Then there is COOH. Again on this, what is this? This is hydrogen, same. Everything is same, just we have removed water, okay? What we have done? We have removed water.
Water.
We have taken hydroxide group from one amino acid, right? Hydroxide
Yes.
group we have taken from this amino acid, and hydrogen we have taken from this amino acid,
The
okay?
other second one.
Yes. So this is removed. This reaction is known as dehydration synthesis. You see,
Dehydration.
this is
Yes.
dehydration. So it means whenever we are combining two simple things and we are making a bigger thing, then we will remove water, right?
Yes.
Just like you see this example, we are combining two amino acids. Why we are combining? We are combining to make proteins, right? We are combining these to
Yes.
make protein.
Proteins.
So this type of reaction is dehydration synthesis, okay? Because we are
Okay.
removing water, okay?
Yes.
You got this? Okay. If I have a protein, now I am saying if I have a protein, right, there is a protein, and you want to break this protein, okay? Firstly, when we will break it, what we will get? We will get the amino acids, right? Because proteins are made up of amino acids.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Can we get lipids by breaking protein?
Can we get lipids
By breaking proteins.
by breaking proteins?
Mhm. Can we?
Mm, uh,
What is the composition of proteins?
I don't know.
Hmm.
I think can we break lipids, right?
Yeah, if we break proteins, can we get lipids?
Can we break lipids by breaking proteins? You mean,
No,
right?
I am saying you are breaking a protein, okay? In
Yes.
this breaking process, will can you get lipid in that process? Can you get any fat or oil by breaking a protein? Simply tell me what is the composition of protein, how proteins are formed.
I,
Hmm.
yes.
How proteins are formed.
How proteins are formed?
Hmm. What we
By the
need.
food we,
No, no,
the
no.
food
What
we,
is the molecules? What are the molecules which make protein?
a hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen.
The molecule name. Those are elements. You are telling me the elements. Just like
Uh,
the if we talk about the carbohydrates, we have monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides, right? We have glucose.
yes,
The
yes,
glucose is the simplest unit.
glycerine.
No, no, no. Glycerol is present in the lipid. How proteins are formed?
Yes, how proteins are formed.
Hmm. What are the building blocks of protein? It is written
Uh,
here.
transcription. mRNA.
Amino acids.
Yes,
Why are you confused? You know, yeah, like you have told me this 5 minutes before. Like amino acids are the building blocks of protein, right?
yes,
So what does it mean? That amino acids will build a protein. You need
yes,
amino acids to make a protein, right?
yes,
So it
yes.
means that if we will break protein, what we will get?
If we will break protein, what
Hmm.
will we get? Amino acid.
Yeah, simple. Because we are combining amino acids to make protein, right? If you,
Yes,
like, for example, I told you an example of the wall, if you remember that there are bricks, okay, in the wall. A wall
yes,
is made from different bricks, okay? So if you are going to break it, right? So what you will get?
yes.
This is a
We are
wall.
gonna break it.
So what you will get?
Amino acids.
No, this wall. This wall is made up of
Small pieces
bricks.
of bricks.
Yeah. So why we are getting bricks? Because this was made of bricks, right? You can't get
Yes,
you can't get gold from here. You can't get silver from here.
yes.
Similar is the case here. If you are baking protein, you can't get lipid. Okay. You can't get any sugar. You will
Okay,
only get those things from which protein was made. Okay. So from which we have made the protein? From the amino acids, right? Because amino acids are what? They are building blocks of protein, as you told me.
so yes. They are the building
They are
blocks
they are building blocks. So it
of
means
protein. Yes,
they will build a protein,
yes.
right? So if
And
we break the protein, what will we get?
if we break protein,
Hmm.
we will get building blocks of amino acids or
Yeah, we will get amino acids, right? We will
yes,
get amino acids.
amino acids.
Now my question is that what is needed for the first process and what is needed for the second process? The first process
Like you
means
me.
if you want to break protein
Hmm.
to amino acids, right? We
Hmm.
are going to break the protein to make amino acids. What we need? Do we need to add water in this or do we need to remove water?
Or you mean for breaking
A protein. Yeah,
proteins?
this is a bigger molecule. Okay, protein is a bigger molecule, amino acids are small. You are
Yes, for
breaking it.
breaking.
Yeah. What is done?
For break.
What we will done? What we will do for this process?
For breaking proteins,
Yes.
uh, do you need can you repeat the question?
Will we add water to this or will we remove the water from it? What is needed? What is your suggestion? What should I do if I want to break the protein? Should I add water to the protein or should I remove water
Uh,
from the protein?
uh,
Hmm.
it's
Remember,
like yes,
remember the terminologies hydrolysis and dehydration. Okay, these are the
yes.
two terminologies.
So hydro means like
Water.
less like
Hydro means water,
yes,
and lysis
no,
means
yes,
break.
yes. Hydro means water and lysis means break.
So, what will we do? Do we need to? What is your suggestion? Is this for this process? Is hydrolysis is needed, or the
We
dehydration
are
is needed?
breaking from small thing to a bigger thing, right?
No, no, no. You see this protein to amino acid. Okay,
So
Protein is
it's
the bigger
small
thing.
to sorry, it's big to
From
small.
a big to small, yeah. From a big to small. You are breaking it.
So it will be like hydrolysis.
Yes, hydrolysis. You remember? Hydro means water, lysis means
Water
to
and
break,
break.
okay? Like it
Water
means
break.
to break something in the presence of water, okay?
In
So
the
you are
presence of water.
breaking, okay?
Okay.
Lysis means you are breaking. You are
Breaking it.
breaking what? You are breaking protein. So it means you will add water to this, right? You will
Okay.
add water to this process. Clear?
Yes.
Hydro means in the presence of water. So it means you will
Yes.
provide this reaction water. You will add water to the protein to break the protein into
Okay.
the amino acids. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Then okay. Now this is the opposite reaction. This is basically it happens in our body most of the time. Both of the reactions occur. Now my question is that you have amino acids in your body and your body is going to make protein from the amino acids. What
Yes.
is needed? Do we add water to this?
Yes. Now
What
we'll
our
do
body
what?
will do? Water will be added or water will be removed?
Will be like we will add water. No?
If you will,
Like can you
are
repeat the
you?
question?
I'm saying this is amino acid, okay, and you are
Yes.
making protein from this.
Yes.
Your body is making protein.
Amino acid to
Hmm. So what is needed
yes,
to
there were two words like hydrolysis and one what the other was
dehydration? Dehydration.
dehydration. So we
Hmm.
will do the process dehydration
Yes. Why?
because like we are going from big from smaller to bigger
Yeah,
units.
we are building. Okay, we are
Building
building a
it.
protein. Okay, so
Yes.
this is dehydration. It
Dehydration.
means
Okay.
we will remove water. Okay, minus H2O. Remove. Okay, the plus sign over here, I am indicating it with plus. Okay, plus means I am adding water. Okay, and negative means I am removing water. Okay, so in the below reaction, in the second reaction, because it is going from a smaller thing to a bigger thing, right? You are building a bigger protein. Your body is building a bigger protein from the smaller units of the amino acids. So water will be removed. Okay, in this process, water will be removed. So
Removed.
this is what I have done. Okay, this is one
Okay.
amino acid. This is second amino acid. So you are
Okay.
combining them. Okay, so it means you are
Yes.
combining two smaller units to make a bigger protein. Right?
Okay.
That's why dehydration is done. Clear?
Yes. Now
Otherwise, you can memorize it by like hydrolysis. It means if you want to break something, you will do hydrolysis because lysis mean breakdown. Okay,
yes.
so breaking means you will add water. Okay, hydrolysis
Yes.
you will add water. And you know what we break? Do we break small things or do we break large things, large molecules? Hmm?
In dehydration,
No, I'm generally talking. What
we
we
break like
hmm,
we break large cheese
yeah,
like
we break large substances. Okay, so it
yes.
means if there is a breaking process, it means that you will add water because this is hydrolysis. Okay, you are breaking
Yes.
something,
Yes.
and the opposite will happen when you are building something. Okay, when you are building
Yes.
something, then what will happen?
The
Dehydration
opposite
is
will
needed.
happen.
Yeah,
Dehydration
dehydration.
will happen.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Now they have done mentioned it
Yes,
that
what was my test result?
I have shared with your mom. It was good. It was good. There was, I think, two or three mistakes in the last table, and I deducted 1 mark from the above part, from the second part in which you asked me to deduct the mark. You remember when I
Yes.
told you that there is one MCQ is wrong. MCQ is a true false, I think so. What was that? So I deducted 1 mark from that question and three or four from the other. Like in one question, you didn't mention the answer. Where is that? Let me.
Huh?
Yeah, there was
Which answer?
you answered the second part, but the first part was not answered. Yeah, this one.
I must have skipped it.
Mm,
Fine.
I think you skipped it. Yeah, over here, this is not logo pieces. This was, I didn't deducted the mark for this. This I just mentioned the correct spelling. Over here, yeah, this part, this one. Why are the proteins considered the most versatile of the three macromolecules? You didn't mention it. You have mentioned give at least two different jobs proteins do in the body. You only mentioned the jobs of the proteins, but the first part was not answered. This part.
Miss, can you go in the first question?
Which question?
The multiple choices.
Yes.
Which one was wrong in this?
I don't remember now, but there was one you rectified that and you
Oh
told me
yes,
that.
oh yes, I remember the last one, the 10th one.
Yeah,
Okay, yes, I remember.
I think you choose the waxes maybe or the lipid. I don't remember. I think you choose the waxes at that time maybe. Okay.
Okay,
All other were correct. This is correct. This is correct. Only this there was a spelling mistake. I didn't deducted the marks. You see, this is 8 point. I have mentioned 8. I have deducted marks over here. In this. Okay, it means 1:2:1. What is this? You have to mention in this way. Okay, like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. In this way, it is clear
okay,
that what you are saying. And this was
okay.
a spelling mistake. I usually the spelling mistakes. I know you are good at this. You have this is a typing mistake, right?
Yes,
Okay. Over here, you just write the side chain. This is actually this is R group. Okay. The main thing is R group. The fourth group is R group. Okay.
okay.
And then
So
there
I
is
got a 67 out of 71.
yes. And this one, yeah, you didn't mention the answer for the first part. Why are proteins considered the most versatile? This is not answered. You just mentioned these two examples, which I have given you the marks for that. That is 1 mark. And I have mentioned it. Can you tell me why are proteins considered the most versatile in three of the three molecules
And the three molecules.
among the three macromolecules? What are the three macromolecules?
1 minute, can I go in the question?
Hmm,
This was question number.
5.
List the three types of lipids.
No. And this is question number section F. Section F.
The first
Question
one.
section F. Question number 5.
Why are proteins considered the most versatile
Hmm.
of the three molecules? Give at least two different jobs proteins do in our body. No, I did not give the answer for the first one. I gave the answer for the second one.
Yes. You mentioned just two examples, so I have given you 1 mark for that. And what I am asking, what will be the answer for the first part? Why are proteins considered the most versatile among three macromolecules? Firstly, tell me what are macromolecules? What are the three macromolecules we have studied? Macro means large, large molecules. What are the three types which we have studied? Carbohydrates, right?
Carbohydrates, proteins, and
And
lipids.
lipids. Yeah, these are macromolecules, okay? Because these are big molecules. So they're saying among these three, why proteins are versatile? You know what is the meaning of versatile?
Because they
Hmm.
are often called versatile because they can perform an wide range of
Yes,
functions
exactly, exactly. They can
in the
perform
organism.
different functions. You see, carbohydrates are only responsible to provide you instant energy, okay?
Okay.
Lipids also have to do some work with the energy, okay, the long term energy storage. But when we talk about the proteins, proteins are important for our muscle growth, for antibodies, for your hair growth, for nail growth, for even the proteins. They are I told you that if proteins are not there, your brain can melt, okay, because not for the protein, that was for lipids, sorry, but proteins are very much important and they perform different activities. Remember, we have done that they are like tiny robots. Proteins are like tiny robots in our body. That's why proteins are considered as versatile. Okay? Because they perform wide range of functions. Like all of the enzymes which are present in our body are proteins, right? Are made up of
Yes.
proteins. Antibodies are made up of proteins. Our structures are made up of proteins, hairs, nails, etc. That's why we say these are versatile. Yeah, all of the things were correct. This was a very good attempt. But
Okay.
I have mentioned here something. Read this. What is this? In the blue,
The blue, uh,
with the blue pointer.
1 minute. It is a good, then you have to have the potential to make it much better, perform consistently beyond my expectations.
Expectation.
Expectations.
Should I expect
Okay.
more? Can I expect more?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes. So we were on the proteins. Yeah, let's get back. Okay, so they have mentioned that add water back in and the peptide bonds break up. They're saying, okay, one bond.
Miss, Miss, I can't hear you. Uh,
Sorry, my mic was muted. I don't know how it was muted. I even
um,
changed my connection and I was just okay. I'm saying that there is this one. When you have combined two amino acids, there is a new bond formed between this carbon and this nitrogen, right? So this bond is known as peptide bond. Okay. When we
yes. Oh,
combine two amino acids in this combination, just like a bridge, where a bridge connects two roads. A bridge combine two roads. Just like that, this peptide bond is connecting two amino acids, right? Are you getting this? What is the function of a
yes.
bond? A bond connect two things, right?
Yes.
So when we have two amino acids and we are combining them to make proteins, the bond will be peptide bond, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now read this and tell me what they have mentioned. Add water back in and the peptide bond breaks apart. Hmm, what is this statement telling us? Think about this.
Add water back in the peptide.
And the
1 minute.
peptide bond breaks apart. Where peptide bond is present? It is present in protein, right?
Yes.
So what we are doing, we are adding water to the proteins, right? Okay, now tell me when we add water, in which condition we add water? In making proteins or in breaking proteins? Remember hydrolysis and dehydration. Remember that in your mind. In which process I'm saying you are baking protein, right? So what will you do? Will you add water to break it or will you remove the water?
Won't I add water to break it?
Yes. Why we will add water? Because this is
Because it's going
hydrolysis
from smaller to bigger
from a
to
bigger
smaller.
to smaller thing. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what they have said, that add water. Okay, add water in, and the peptide bond will break. Okay, like this protein, you are adding water to this protein. So what will happen? This protein will break. Okay, this protein will break, and you will get amino acids back, right? You will get amino acids and peptide bonds back, right? This is what they are saying here. Clear? Are you clear with this?
Yes.
This is the
Little bit.
same thing which happens in our body, like when we digest a steak. Steak is protein in nature. So when it is in our body, how our body will digest it? By adding water. Okay? By adding water, that's why we
Water.
drink water. And there is water in our
Yes.
body. So that water will break the steak. Okay? That water will break the steak into the amino acids. Because steak was what? Steak is a protein, right? So when you will add water, what will you get? This protein will be broken down and you will get amino acids. Clear? Are you getting
Okay.
this?
Yes.
That basically, any type of meal, like if you have taken chicken or what else, like egg, fried egg, or any other type of meat, like fish. So we drink water, and there is water in our body as well. So that water will break them. Okay, that water will help to digest these things. Okay, and when these things will be digested, what will we get? These all are protein. Okay, so
Yes.
when proteins are digested, what we get? When you break proteins, what you get?
I break proteins,
Hmm.
what will I get?
Hmm. What will your body release? What will be released in your body when proteins are broken down? It is mentioned in this slide. How proteins are formed?
Proteins are formed by breaking amino acids
Yeah, by combining amino acids.
by
So
break,
so it means if you are breaking protein, what your body will get? Amino acids.
if our body gets proteins.
Yeah, you have taken chicken, right? So your
Yes.
body is digesting this chicken. So what your body will
Yes.
get?
What will my body get?
Hmm. Amino acids.
Muscle growth.
No,
What can I say?
amino acids. Because
Yeah, also
protein.
my amino acids, but like if we have protein, won't we get it also in like muscle growth or
Yeah, so these amino acids will work there, okay? They will go at that position and they will help to grow muscles. They will help in the hair growth, okay? Like different type
okay?
of proteins are there. Clear? So basically, I'm talking about the molecule. Like, we are combining amino acids to make protein, right? We have many amino acids. We are combining those amino acids and we are making what? By combining amino acids, what we are making? What are our bodies making?
What our body is making proteins.
Yeah, proteins are making, right? So if you are breaking proteins, then what will get? If we reverse the process, if you break the protein, what your body will get?
If my body breaks proteins, what will my body get?
Hmm.
Amino acids.
Yeah, amino acids. Simple. You see, amino acids. So if you have amino acids, from amino acids, your body will combine to make proteins. Okay. So this is the same thing like in lipids. Like if you have a lipid, your body will break that lipid into glycerol and fatty acids, right? Because lipid was made of these two, glycerol and fatty acid. Are you clear with this? Whatever thing, whatever is the composition, you will get that composition. You will not get another thing. Just like I gave you the example of a wall. A wall is made up of bricks, right? So if you break a wall, you will not get gold. You will not get silver. You will only get small pieces of bricks. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So similarly, if we have proteins and we are breaking proteins, then what we will get?
If I break